Your sports watching weekends just got a huge freaking food upgrade because we're making an amazing Tex Mex chicken rice. You've heard of Hainanese chicken rice. We've made that before. Well, this is Texanese chicken rice. Does that work?
Yes.
Texanese chicken rice, that's what we're calling it. But we're not just using any regular, everyday old chicken. We're smoking ours. Yes, it's going to be fantastic. This thing's going to come together quite simply. Look, use a deli roasted chicken if you want. Cook your own chicken if you want. But smoking it is the way to go. It's just going to amplify the flavors. The whole thing's going to be fantastic. Here's a plan. Make a rub, spatchcock the chicken, put the rub on the chicken, put the chicken in the smoker. Then we come back over here, we got a pan, working some vegetables and nonsense, and then rice and shit like that. And the whole thing's fantastic. We're all gonna be happy at the end of this, including you, because you're gonna have a new best friend to make for your friends. I'll stop talking now so we can cook. Let's cook. Everybody, let's cook. Come on. We're making the hot rub that's in Sam the Cooking Guy and the Holy Grail. The sweet part is brown sugar, and the hot part is chipotle chili powder. Then we add some cumin, smoked paprika, recipes below by the way, garlic powder, kosher salt, and we mix. Now for the chicken. And clearly that's a beautiful whole chicken. We have the breast side, but we don't want that. We want the other side where the backbone is. So, using a good pair of kitchen shears or good scissors, you're going to cut the backbone up one side and down the other. And there you go. You can keep the backbone for stock or soup. We don't need it right now. So put the chicken skin side up on the cutting board and give it a little snap and then push down to help flatten him or her out. After a quick dry, we apply a little yellow mustard. It won't taste like it. It will just help the rub stick. So on we go. We start putting it on the back side. Do a good job. Flip it over, skin side up now. Of course, a little bit more of the mustard, and then a bunch more of the rub. And do a good job. And when you're done, we're off to the smoker, which by the way is set at 375, and I'm guessing will take somewhere around an hour. The lid and say goodbye. Okay, it's been about 45-ish minutes, I think. We're now at 136 degrees, and here's how we look. Damn, I moved them. Oh, shit. I wanted to straighten them out. That was stupid. Wait, I can do this. Nice. Yep, 30 degrees-ish. And we're there. But in the meantime, we'll get the rest of the dish going. And we begin with a hot pan, a little oil, and our vegetables. Look, it's the Mexican flag. Diced jalapenos, diced white onions, and diced red Fresno peppers. Everybody in. Alright, in goes a cup of white rice, any kind you've got. And remember the rub we made. Come back with about a tablespoon of this over everything. We mix and we let the rice and the rub join together. They start to toast and bring on some big old flavors. Give this about 2 minutes. Boys, the smell from here, right?
Amazing. So
good. It's time for our liquids. First in, can of enchilada sauce. Red. A can of diced tomatoes and chilies, red and green, and a cup of chicken broth. And we mix.
no color for the chicken broth?
Chicken color chicken broth. We bring this to a boil, cover it with a lid, turn it down to a simmer, and we leave it for 15 minutes. And we're there. Look how beautiful. Get this kid off. Oh, I poked him right here to check the temperature and juice came out, which is a good sign because you know it's juicy AF. Let's go deal with them. Well, here's what we've got. Let's take our buddy off, put him on here, and then see what we've done. Oh, look at this. You see this? Watch. A little cut there. Holy snap. This wasn't brined. Do you see the juiciness? This guy wasn't brined at all, and it's juicy crazy.
Juicy crazy.
Oh my God, I need one little bite. It's mental. All right, all you need now is gloves with a little cotton glove underneath because it's HOT. We need about 3 cups of this. You want to use dark meat, use dark meat. You want to use breast meat, use breast meat. I'm using the breast meat because it's my least favorite part, though this is juicy AF. Just get yourselves about 3 cups, shredded, chopped, however you want it. And then we carry on. Yes, normally I would have let this rest, but I can't help myself. Oh gosh.
Crazy juicy.
Crazy juicy.
Oh, juicy crazy, you said.
Is that what you said?
Yeah. You should have said crazy juicy.
Juicy crazy. Wow. Can I cut somebody a piece?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just juicy crazy. It's crazy what a smoker can do to proteins. Okay, the 2 breasts on this guy are exactly what we need. Perfect. Let me clean up. We'll carry on. And after about 15 minutes, look what you've got. I gave it a stir in the middle. You want to give it a stir because the rice is, is going to want to stick a little bit. But I just realized I forgot one thing.
What?
I'm going to fix my problem right now. A little bit of oil there and some chopped garlic. It's going to be fine. It always works out. You know it
How
does.
important could have garlic been?
It's perfect. Now I'm adding it now near the end when you really get all the aroma. All right, give that just 15, 25 seconds. And when it starts smelling great, like this, a quick mix. All right, we have other things to add. First, about 3 or 4 ounces of pepper jack cheese, like that. Okay, of course our chicken that we just dealt with beautifully. So we'll put this in. Ready for my secret ingredient? These Hormel chicken and chili sauce tamales. My mom used to use these back in the day. Look how they come. They come in these little wrappers, W-R-A-P, not the other way around. And I've just cut them up like this. They also make beef ones, but this is chicken. And then here's the rest. Now we mix. And you want to mix well. Get that cheese, the tamales, all this crazy goodness. This might be the heartiest thing we've ever made. Oh, the cheese is melting beautifully. The whole thing smells insane. That extra little hit of super fresh garlic is doing its thing. All right, we're about 4 minutes away, ladies and gentlemen. A big handful of tortilla chips, any kind, crunched over the top. You know that panko topping you get on macaroni and cheese? This is kind of like that. And the rest of our pepper jack scattered lovingly over the top. And when it's all on, we put the lid on. It's on kind of medium-low. 4 or 5 minutes, it all melts. We're done. And after 4 minutes, ta-da! Oh, I love it. It's still bubbling. Let's just give it a little cilantro. Or as my Canadian family would say, cilantro. They do say cilantro. Poor Canadians, they just don't know any better. Oh, the smell. I think I added the garlic at the right time there, Maxie boy.
You did.
Expect it to be warm, I can tell you that much. And let's just see what we've got. Dang, look at this side shot, Maxie. Chancey, the cheese, the tamale, the peppers, the everything. Lando Calrissian. Yum. You want to make sure you get some of the tamale. I mean, you want everything, but holy God. Garlic. It is so good. It is so good. And of course the chips don't stay super crunchy, but they just add body, they add some texture, and it's a lovely thing. It's like Hungry Man on steroids. This could be 8 to 10 people, or 2 of my kids after a night of fun. Here's the goal, make it. I'm telling you, you bust this out on a weekend, weeknight, doesn't matter. But a sporting event and you bring this thing out, everybody will love you forever. Hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, whatever you do, get off the stick and get cooking.